couple of quick things I want to go over. There's a couple of very good points I'd like to make. First of all, just a message to all the people who've been calling, threatening us. You know, there's people who've taken this over the top. People have actually called, threatened to kill us, do harm to us. We're going to start recording the phone calls, okay, and we're going to start tracking. We're going to start tracking you down and prosecuting you for the death threats. Totally unnecessary. Competition's competition, and the Bigfoot world is apparently real competitive, but we're not going to deal with the threats anymore. One other thing that might be interesting for you guys to know is, of all the Bigfoot discussions and all the critiques we've been receiving, no one's actually came up with anything valid. You know, something interesting, one of the most interesting things that I'm going to reveal to you right now is this is a male. And a lot of people haven't ever thought about that. When they make their fake Bigfoot suits and do all this other stuff, they don't think about gender. All they're thinking about is making money. This is a male we've got right here. Which means that Bigfoot's not a mythological creature that there's just one of. This is a species that may be real rare, but they're actually out there breeding. And so that just reaffirms the fact that we will capture a live one. I don't know if it'll be a baby, a female, or another male, but it'll be... What's under this bag is what everyone's been waiting to see. And I'm telling you guys, when we release it, it's going to be groundbreaking. It's going to be shocking. This is the male of the species under here. That's what everyone's been waiting to see. And all the critics that have been writing all these dirty emails, the ones that have been threatening us, you're all going to have to eat your words. One thing about it is BigfootTracker.com is the best. We are the best. This is not an infomercial to say we're the best. This is just proof that we're the best. And when we get everything straight legally, it's going to be unleashed, and the world will be shocked. That's all. I hope that answers your questions about whether a bear or Bigfoot could be taken down. That's just one of our techniques. It's not even... I hope it doesn't even come to that, really. I really hope that we don't even have to resort to violence. I hope we can get them in a trap or something. I've got some traps. I'm not going to give away everything to everyone, because there's a lot of haters out there, like I said. Not going to give away all our techniques, but I'm going to tell you right now, Bigfoot will be trapped alive. I don't know if it's going to be a male or a female or a baby. If we get a baby, I think we can probably get the whole family. But you guys are going to see real soon. BigfootTracker.com is no joke. That's all.
BigfootTracker.com. We're the best Bigfoot trackers in the world. You know why we're the best Bigfoot trackers? Because we're the only one with a body. We tracked them, we got them. Next, we're going to get a live...
Okay, for all you skeptics out there, I just want to let you know we're just about to leave the house right now. We're headed to the Atlanta airport to pick up a scientist who's flying in from Texas who's going to examine our Bigfoot remains and give us some scientific information. So, we'll let you know from there. Thank you. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Show's on. Gary here with BigfootTracker.com. I'm at the Atlanta airport. We just arrived here to pick up a scientist that has arrived from Texas, Mr. Van Buren. Mr. Van Buren, why don't you go ahead and tell us what brought you out here and what got you here?
First of all, thanks a lot, Gary, for having me here. I just got the photos that you sent me, and I'm really fascinated and interested in doing the samples. The reason I'm out here is to take samples, collect some samples for analysis, take those back to Texas to the lab, and get some idea as to whether we're talking about the missing link or not. And this is something we're really curious about in my field, pathology of primates, we're really interested in, and fascinating stuff. Usually it takes 2 to 3 weeks to get this information back with the data, so once we get the information, we'll get back to you.
All right. Well, so what are you going to compare it against?
Well, we're going to look at, obviously there's a lot of fossil record, historical information we can compare it to. Like I said, we do the biological analysis. When we get that back, we know more information. I don't want to give too much information right now. There's a lot of competing people out there trying to get the same answers, and I feel like we have a special find here that we can really run with it.
And when you got the pictures that I've sent you, you just jumped on the plane right then, right?
I jumped right out of my chair and went and got a ticket. It's unbelievable.
That's the thing. We appreciate you coming out, because we've actually sent pictures to a couple of other scientists who may be just a little behind the 8 ball right now, just because you actually came out here quick. So, what are you planning on doing? Did you think that these pictures, whenever the pictures I sent, did they look authentic to you? They didn't look fabricated or nothing,
No,
right?
Absolutely. No, we didn't think. If I thought that they were fabricated or some kind of hoax, I would have never, got on a plane out here. I don't have time for that. I'm a busy scientist, as you know, and we have other projects going on. But this is fascinating stuff, and want to get to it.
Well, it's good. It's good to have you out here. We're glad you came. That's why we rushed over here to pick you up. I'm glad you got on a flight that actually shows some devotion to the field, and that's what we're about. We're actually in the business to be the best, which we are the best, and we're also in the field to try to solve this mystery and put all the people out of business who are in it for the money, and also show these people that are critics that Bigfoot is real. So let's get down to business, and I appreciate your visit, Mr. Van Buren, and we'll get to work. Thank you.
www.bigfoottracker.com.
I got a question for you. Are you keeping up with the election, the presidential election?
A little bit.
Well, who would you vote for if? I know you know that McCain and Obama are running.
I'm not going to discuss politics. Okay?
But if Bigfoot ran for president, would you vote for him?
Sir, would you please?
Okay, Mr. Van Buren. Basically, just after coming out of the room there where we showed you the corpse we have, what are your initial thoughts?
I'm shocked, absolutely shocked. I don't even know what to say. I've been all over the world studying primates, as you know, pathologist. I don't even know what category this thing falls into. It's obviously a male. We looked at a very, very large primate male. It doesn't fit into any of the taxonomic groups that I can think of. Unbelievable. When this thing comes out, it's going to be shocking. I'm still shaking, just from seeing it.
Have you ever saw anything like this before?
I've never seen anything like this before. Like I said, I've seen a lot of primates. Nothing. Even the smell. There's just an odd. I've smelled primates before, but this is an odd smell. Unbelievable.
Could you tell us right now it's not a gorilla or monkey?
Absolutely not anything that we've seen before. I can say that with absolute certainty.
Bigfoottracker.com. We're the best Bigfoot trackers in the world. You know why we're the best Bigfoot trackers? Because we're the only one with a body. We tracked them, we got them. Next, we're going to get a liar.
What do you think about BigfootTracker.com?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Kiss me goodbye and write me while I'm gone. Roger, lead the way. Airborne! Airborne! Goodbye, my sweetheart, melody.
Just done. It's not to take down.
America has heard the bugle call. Roger, lead the way. Airborne! Airborne!
Would you vote for Bigfoot for president?